Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 2 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So open the Word Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Word Chapter 2 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. Click Start. And click Launch. Word Chapter 2 and on Exercise Chapter 2. So total question is 4. We move to the question number 1. Select the all documents. Select the all text documents. Change the font Time New Roman and the font size to 12. So select the all document. Control A and change the font size to Time New Roman and change the font size to 12 and press enter. Select the second paragraph in the document Greenway. In the Tesla, the apply italics. So select the Greenway in Tesla and apply the italics. And next select the 3 paragraph beginning with the participants, funding, events, ending with the registered friends and family become members. Font dialog box launcher and select the small caps and bold and close dialog box. Select the 3 paragraph participant beginning with the participant fundraising event ending with the viewers become member. So next is select the 3 paragraph, go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and font dialog box and select the small caps and click bold, click OK. Select the last paragraph on future is you format the selected text with the text fill effect, fill blue as and color 1 shadow. Our future, the last paragraph, our future is you. Go to the home tabs and go to the text effect and click the fill blue accent color 1 shadow, click OK. And next select the word we need you to help the system the great organization, including in the paragraph under the funding to spend budgets heading and click the text heading, highlight colors, font group and text using the default yellow colors. So word we need you to help the assistance paragraph the funding to spend heading. Select find the funding to spend and click the text we need. Need you to help. We need you to help and create organization and click the yellow. We need you to help. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the text in the first body paragraph begin we want now ending with the we are growing. Select the text first body of the paragraph we want you know ending we are growing. And next line spacing 1.5 and change the alignment selected text to justify. And next change the spacing after to selected text to 6 point paragraph and spacing after 6 point and click OK. Place the insertion point after the second paragraph green in Tesla. Insertion point after the second paragraph Tesla and click the insert tabs and then insert the register sample special character tab. Go to the insert tabs and click the sample, click more samples, click the special and select the register and click insert and click close and change the alignment of the second paragraph green in Tesla to align right. Go to the home tabs and go to the font groups, click the align right, scroll on page 2, select the event information beginning 15 annual fundraising dinners ending the city park. Click the setting dialog box and apply the left hand dinner 0.5. Page 2 and event to 15 annual dinner ending the city park. Setting dialog box. Dinner ending the city park. So next ending the city park. Click the paragraph. Select the event information. Paragraph and click tab. Click paragraph setting dialog box and left indent 0.5 and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. So next type the grand opening and press tab button. So next type the grand opening and press tab buttons and type the Saturday May 8. and press enters and press tab buttons and type the foundation dinner and press tab buttons and type the 6 p.m. Monday by 10. And next one, select the two paragraph end of the document, grand opening ending 6 my. So select the both paragraph, border and shading dialog box. So go to Zone tabs and click the border and shading dialog box, and next shading dialog will display the border tab. In the border and shading dialog box, and select the shadow box settings with the double line 7 style border and click OK. And next to change the shading to blue SN1 lighter 60%, border and shading, and click the shading blue SN1 lighter 60%. And click OK and again OK. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is 100%. What chapter 2 hand-on exercise 1 simulation exam, current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.